Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. Here we have the third set in the new 2023 New Year set of the Lord of the Rings themed Brickheadz. This week we are doing set number 40632, number 187 Arwen, and number 188 Aragorn. Now, this set comes with 261 pieces, and just look at the detail in these print pieces. It's always good when you get print pieces in the Brickheadz range. You don't get the stickers. So these are all print pieces, and they do look fantastic. Iconic characters, these two, and you'll notice here in Arwen that there are no legs shown, and I don't think there are many Brickheadz, if any, that are like that. So that's something new in the Brickheadz range that I can see already. So 261 pieces, as I said. This will be 20-25 minute build is what I'm going to guess. And will be the last one of the current Lord of the Rings sets. So speed build, time to get into it, and join me afterwards for the review. Welcome back and thank you for hanging around. This is set number 40632, Lord of the Rings, number 187 Arwen, and number 188 Aragorn. These are really nice sets, and all three sets that we've done recently have been very, very good Brickheadz sets. Some interesting techniques used throughout as well. And this one, although the different techniques, there are some, but nothing that really stands out. They do come with parts that I'm a little bit confused about, and maybe with, certainly with Arwen, there are a couple elements here that I just don't understand why. Now, it doesn't take from the build at all, just makes me question why would Lego have made that decision. And the first one I'm going to point out is with the arms. First of all, look, this green color is fantastic. And I actually have a thought that it may be that green color that is responsible for one of these decisions. So when we look at these the arm pieces of any Brickheadz, generally Lego will use a 2x2 tile, studded tile, and then layer on top of that, if you can see that, 2x2, and then layer on top, as they have with Aragorn. So nothing unusual about that in itself. However, when it comes to Arwen, get that back on. There we go. They didn't. I don't think it's a piece count thing either. They've used two 1x2 pieces and then layered a 1x1 flat tile on there, which doesn't provide great stability. It doesn't take away from the build. I don't think it's a piece count thing. I actually have a feeling it might be to do with the color, because this color is not that common, that the cost to produce these other elements in the same color may be too great given the small set that it is. So that was the first thing. And they've done that on both arms. The second thing was here. Let's see if I can take this off. You can see this grill piece. I have no idea why they would have used that there. It serves no purpose to use a grill rather than a normal 2x1 studded piece. I just really don't know. Actually, oh, now I do know. It's because there is no connector point here. That is why. But they could have just used a tile. Didn't need to be a grill. Just could have been a tile. But anyway, as I said, these little things don't take away from the build at all. They just stand out to me as why would Lego have made that decision. That's all. That's as simple as it is for me. But the printed piece up here and the way they have done the headline is just fantastic. The crown. And really, that colour is really something. Aragorn, they used a lot of colour on the internals. You can see there's 5 colours just in that piece, and then over here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colours. Really, that helps me certainly. I don't like a lot of brown and black pieces. I find it very difficult to, with my eyesight, not that I've got terrible eyesight, I just find it difficult with those colours to build when there's lots of colours. Lots of pieces of those colours. So Aragorn, not much really to point out for this build, but it is very good. Even how they've done the leg and the bottom of the armor piece here, they've used an angled 1x2 piece, and that has created a good effect, so it doesn't take the full length of the legs. And of course the printer piece, these two printer pieces come up really well. And then the rest of the techniques used are very similar for other builds. So 2 very, very good builds. Striking pieces, especially with the difference in the colours. Very happy with these. So it was about a half an hour build for these 2. Aragorn was a little bit fiddly, especially around the hair, a lot of small pieces to achieve that, but all in all, not too difficult at all. So I would certainly recommend the 3 sets that we've covered over the last couple of weeks. Certainly if you're a Lord of the Rings fan, certainly if you're a Brickheadz fan, and these will go straight into the collection. So thanks for hanging around and listening to me ramble on about these, about this set and these two characters, and hopefully you'll join me in the future as well. So with that said, bye for now.